Got an idea but don't know where to start? Our Co-Design Studio gives you unlimited 3D printing and expert guidance, so you spend less time figuring things out and more time building, because great ideas deserve real momentum. Explore diverse design disciplines like product, visual communication, and sustainable designing. With our facilities, you can easily create unique gifts for your bestie and bring your ideas to life. Our studio is open 24/7, offering you the freedom to create whenever inspiration strikes. Immerse yourself in various design disciplines and craft personalized gifts effortlessly. Benefit from round-the-clock access to our design studio. Enhance your skills through workshops and receive expert guidance with our design consultations. Your productivity will soar. This isn't just a workspace, it's a creative lab. Design artistic micro-landscapes, build your own Gen AI chatbot, run simulations to test your ideas, or experiment with morphing concepts before production. Everything you need to explore, test, and refine, all in one place. Save time and increase productivity with our comprehensive design support. Enjoy a friendly atmosphere and immerse yourself in a world of creativity and innovation. Visit our website to book a studio tour today. Experience the future of design firsthand and join our community of innovative creators. Let's embark on this creative journey together. By exploring our studio, you'll unlock endless design possibilities. Take action now and transform your creative visions into reality. We can't wait to see what you'll create.